In this video, we are going to show you how to assign a ticket to an agent in Zendesk. Now, if you created a new ticket, right? So we have a new ticket right here, or even an existing ticket. I'm going to show you the existing ticket last. So if you create a new ticket here, you can actually click assignee, right? So this is the second option. The first option is a requester. This is going to be the user that requested the ticket. So you can just add the requester there. Likewise with assignee, you can just choose whoever it is. So support, and then under support, just choose whoever you want or whatever group you have, right? So if it's a support issue, go through whoever is available or whoever you want to have that ticket. So for example, this account right here, there you go. So that is how you assign a ticket on a new or assigning to a new ticket. Alternatively, it's going to be the same thing for an existing ticket. If you want to move the assignee, if you want to move the ticket, or maybe it's escalated to a supervisor, you can just do the same thing and just choose from this user to another, your supervisor or maybe your manager, and just click on that option right there. And it's going to be changed like pretty much the same way. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.